Have you ever stared at a blank page unsure how to start your first scientific article? You're not alone. Many young researchers struggle with writing, often without formal training, even though publishing is crucial for career growth, funding, and academic qualifications. The pressure to publish or perish is real, but your work deserves to be judged on its scientific merit, not rejected for poor writing or confusing presentation. This video will walk you through the essential steps to writing a scientific article, from preparation to publication. Whether you're in medicine or another field, these principles apply broadly and will help you create a clear, compelling first draft. Let's start by understanding why good scientific writing is so important and how it can set your research apart in a competitive world. Before you write a single word, groundwork is essential. Start by conducting a thorough literature review to understand the current state of knowledge and ensure your research is original. Take notes and manage your references with dedicated software to stay organized. Next, identify your target journal. This will shape your writing style, formatting, and the level of detail you include. Are you writing for specialists or a broader audience? Tailor your content accordingly. By preparing your research protocol, collecting your data, and understanding your audience, you set yourself up for a smoother writing process. Remember, the time you invest in preparation pays off when you begin drafting your article. Now, let's break down the main sections your article should include and how to approach each one. Most scientific articles follow the IMRAD format: introduction, methods, results, and discussion. Start your introduction by explaining what's already known, then highlight the gap your study addresses. State your hypothesis and objectives clearly. In the methods section, detail your study design, population, and procedures so others can replicate your work. Be specific about ethical approvals and statistical analyses. Results section should present your findings in a logical order, using tables or figures where appropriate, but avoid interpretation here. Finally, the discussion interprets your results, compares them to existing literature, and acknowledges limitations. Use a consistent formulation for your objectives throughout the paper to avoid confusion. This structure not only makes your article easier to read, but also increases its chances of acceptance. Your abstract and title are the first things readers and reviewers see, so make them count. The abstract should be a concise summary, covering background, methods, results, and conclusions, no references or figures needed. It must stand alone and entice readers to explore your full article. The title should include key terms, reflect the main focus, and highlight what sets your study apart. Avoid vague phrases and use internationally recognized terms. Remember, a well-crafted title ensures your work is discoverable in databases like PubMed and increases its citation potential. Spend time refining these elements; they are your article's best marketing tools. As you finish your article, pay close attention to references, formatting, and journal guidelines. Cite original sources accurately and use bibliographic software to manage your references. Double-check every detail. Accuracy here reflects your professionalism. Before submission, review your manuscript with co-authors or mentors for clarity and completeness. Remember, writing a scientific article is a process that gets easier with practice and preparation. By following these steps, you not only increase your chances of publication but also contribute valuable knowledge to your field. So, take your time, be systematic, and let your research shine. Ready to get started? Your work deserves to be shared with the world.